How to hide friends on Snapchat. So let's get started. First of all, you have to launch the Snapchat application and make sure to log in with your account. Once you're logged in, now you have to get to your chat page by tapping on this friends icon from the bottom left corner. Now scroll down a bit and search for that contact or search for that friend that you would like to hide from Snapchat. For example, I have this contact right here. Now all you have to do is tap and hold on that contact. A drop down box will pop up with bunch of options. And if you see them all, there is no any option to hide this contact or hide this friend from Snapchat. The only way you can do that is by clearing the conversation. For that, tap on chat and notification setting. Now you will have this option again. There it says clear from chat feed. So to hide this contact or to hide this friend on Snapchat, the only way you can do is clear the chat from the chat feed. So tap on clear from chat feed and then again tap on clear. And with that, this friend or this contact is now hidden from my Snapchat. But all the conversation that you have shared will still remain there. It will not get deleted. If you would like to unhide again, then simply go to search bar and search for that contact. And there you have it. So this is the only way to hide friends on Snapchat, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.